Hello, everyone. Since I have to go on a business trip today, I'm packing up some digital gadgets and handheld consoles to take with me. Since I have a lot of handheld consoles, it's really hard to choose which ones to bring. So after thinking it over, can you guess which handheld console I'm going to take with me today? Alright, so first, the RE63 has been my main handheld device from AYANEO. The RE63 is modular, and its speaker, vibration, and overall feel are really great, so it's been my go-to device. However, it's not really suitable to bring it today because it's a bit on the larger side, and we have better options. Alright, I'll talk about that in a bit. As for the ACE, that's obviously the Pocket S. The ACE is my main device for playing retro games, but I'm not planning to bring it this time either, so both of them will stay at home. Why? Why am I not bringing them? Like I just mentioned, they're both a bit on the larger side, and I have a better option. And as for this one, I've been playing it a lot recently, mostly because it's become a favorite way for me to unwind and have some fun in my free time. Plus, we have this new device now, the Pocket S2, which I just started using and I'm really enjoying so far. So, whenever I go out, I make sure to bring this rich power device with me, since it helps keep everything charged up and ready, making sure I can keep playing without any interruptions while I'm on the go. The Pocket S2 has a really solid feel to it, and its battery is pretty big, so I'm planning to take it with me when I go out. As for the Win handheld, you might ask why I'm not bringing the RE63? Actually, it's because there's a newer device that just came out recently, our Flip 1S. This is its first public appearance, and we've specially designed a solo case just for it. Poke O, not Poke Flip. Our Flip is our clamshell series. Alright, let me open it up and show everyone. Because it uses a clamshell design, compared to the standard slab-style handhelds like the Win handheld, you can see its size is much smaller. Look, since it doesn't have left and right handles, and on top of that, its A side is made entirely of CNC machined metal, so it feels really premium. Alright, so this time I'm planning to take it with me on my business trip and use it as my main Windows handheld device. That also means today I'm going to bring the following too. I'm taking these two devices with me when I go out. Later on the plane, I might play with the Windows handheld for a while, and then switch to the Android handheld for a bit. Alright, I wish everyone a great day.